Okay, today I'm going to show you how to clean out a bathtub drain. It's draining slowly. So the first thing that we can do is take out the drain, the pop-up. So you take the cap off. These are the only tools you need. A pair of channel locks, a screwdriver, and a little mini auger that you can pick up from Home Depot for like $10–15. So the first thing you check, you get a flathead, open that up. Okay, clear out any hair that's in there. So in this drain in particular, I already know that that's not the only hair causing the plug up because we've already tried it. So today we're going to open up the waste and overflow. Try to make sure you do not lose the screw down the drain. So the easiest way to auger is put your auger down through the overflow. Okay, so we just pull it out manually, stick down the overflow until we feel a little bit of pushback on it, and then we lock up the auger and give her a twirl. I can tell already that it's picking up lots because it's not turning. Let's pull her out and see if we have anything. Oh yes, look at that. Now you can see why it wasn't draining. That's sometimes hard to get off. It's a little stinky. Remember, it's just hair and soap scum, and it won't kill you. Wow, that's a big one. Okay, we'll push her down one more. Let's see if we have any more down there. Okay, now it's going down. So we'll loosen that off and give it a little more cable. We'll try again. Feels like we might get some more. No, not really. So I think we're good. So now we can put the waste and overflow cap back on. Just remember the air introduction on the overflow faces downwards. Don't over tighten it, but enough to compress the seal behind there so that if water does go up that high, it doesn't leak. Now we can put the drain back in. Put the cap back on. You can get most of these little mini bathtub augers at any hardware store. They're not expensive and they're easy to work. Okay, we'll just clean out that miniature dog there. Wow, that's a lot of hair. There we go. She's draining.